Hello and welcome to another review video. Today's review is on the JU-87 Stuka ground attack aircraft. It's not a bomber. So yeah, this is the second generation Stuka Brickmania has built. And yeah, so this is the new packaging with the so-called textured box, like the reflective gears, their logo. And yeah, it's more or less the packaging. So yep, this is the Stuka once again. Onto the kit itself. This is a wonderful kit to build, but I'm rather disappointed because the wings are rather wonky actually. It's not really sturdy as compared to the first generation Stuka bomber. I would say probably they need to make some sacrifices just to keep the price affordable, and that is totally understandable. But yeah, for its price is rather worth. So it's besides that, you see the general design is rather sleek as compared to the first Stuka dive bomber. The engine is mounted opposite, so this is more or less on the right side up. The bodies is also even more sleek as compared to the first one. And yeah, let's just give the 360-degree look. So yeah, the two minifigs are inside, the pilot and co-pilot. So see, like I said, the wings are a little wonky. So to actually prop it up and give its angular, iconic angular wing look, you have to prop it up. That's the one downside of this model kit. Yes. So instead of the bombs that you had from before, you get the cannon pods that is mounted underneath the wings. So this actually gives uh, rise to its name of the Flying Tank Buster, especially attacking all the tanks on the ground. So this is a rather successful aircraft for its time. So besides this, you get the two little barrels at the back here, mounted on the shaft. So this barrels is the MG, to simulate the MG. And, yeah, you can open up the rear cockpit like this, but the front is a little bit more tricky. So the pilots are inside. Let's have a look. Of course, cute little pilot, and got an iron cross there, and a little watch on his belt. So other one is also the same, just that there's different facial expressions. It's more or less the difference on the pilot and co-pilot. And yeah. So as you can see on the packaging, it's a level 4 out of 5. So this is a bit tricky, especially when building the cockpit. You may need to replace all of these little arm parts in time because plastic being plastic, they will actually wear out uh, through the course of time. So I may have to replace that probably in the future. And yes, carrying from the first generation Stuka, you have the posable ailerons, the flaps, the spoilers. I don't really know what's the actual term for it. Of course, it's connected with the ball joint. So that's the one little thing going for them here. You have printed elements as well. The iron crosses on the wings, and also the one on the body, all printed. See, so, so overall, slightly disappointed, but it's understandable to keep things affordable. But still, it's a delightful little kit to build and play with. Most importantly, it is very sociable. So yeah. But you know, if you have little kids at home and you would don't want this to be destroyed, so you know, you gotta put this safely somewhere in your display cupboard. So yeah, that's more or less on this review. I would still say it's worth its money. It's worth the effort in building this kit, even though it's slightly wonky for the wings. You always have to prop it up to give it its iconic angular look. But yeah, that's more or less the downside. Other than that, it's a wonderful kit to play with, to build, to collect. And you know, if a plain collection, it's a good kit to add on. And it's rather light as well. Oh no, the tire came out. Yeah, and it's rather light as well. So if y'all have the means to hang it up, just gotta be extra careful with that. But yeah, it's more or less it. So thank you for watching today's review video. Subscribe if you want to see more of this content. And yeah, to the next review video then. Have a good day ahead. Take care.